Let's see what we got in this week. This one here came in from China. I had no idea what it was. This is what it says it is. Alright, I got here just in time. Hope open the package from China.
Oh, wonder what they sent.
The tripod's getting floppy. Floppy tripod. It was something, hey, it was floppy. What's in there? Let's check it out.
Like a hat.
Uh-oh.
We need to open, oh.
Let's open it.
Want to open it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Nikki wants to wear the hat. My dogs make me happy. You, not so much.
Let me zoom in. My dogs make me happy. You, not so much. Alright, cute hat, Leon. That's nice. Let's open up something else.
Okay.
Oh, what do we get? I got 2 boxes of floppy disks. That's right, 5.5-inch floppies. These are what Commodore 64 uses. Double-sided, double density. Shh. I picked these up. The 3M ones are pretty good, and I picked these up when I get them for about $1 a piece, new in box. Doesn't matter if they're formatted or not. I'll reformat them. So, all right. Floppy disk. We got a floppy hat and a floppy disk and a fly trap so far. Let's see. We got here. If we got anything for retro gaming here. This is media mail, so this could be games. What is this? Okay. It's a weird box. Oh, I think it's some Commodore stuff. Get rid of that box. That was strange. Alright, what do we got here? Got some Commodore 64 games. Anything good? Fight Night this fun. Ghostbusters. Oh. Hey, this game is pretty fun. Alright. Oh, I found another box I want to open. This is it. It's a big box of floppy disks. Let me get rid of these peanuts. Alright, so I'm super excited about this lot. Over 150 original discs. Now, a lot of the, some of these, I call these silver label discs, or gold. These are worthless. I will give these to you for free if you order something from my Commodore store. But there's a lot of really good stuff in here. Oh, Star Wars. You can't go wrong with Star Wars. But since, you know, I have my Commodore 64 copy protection blog, I collect original copy programs. Burst Nibbler, great. Cracker Jacks. Well, I do have a ton of Cracker Jacks. Check this out. This program is pretty rare. Can be really expensive. I'm going to go downstairs and check this program out. More copy programs. Renegade. Oh, I don't know what that is. Alright, so awesome. I'll be right back. One last box. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. Holy cow. What did I do here? I think this is an old box. What am I going to do with all of these river rescues? Wow, I want to check how much did I pay for this. Anyways, let's check one of these out. River Rescue is a cool Vic-20 game. It's like a side-scrolling game here. Oh man, this is like... Yeah, this is fresh. These are like mint. Alright. I'm going to test these. And I'll bring it up in... I don't know what I'm going to do with all these. I don't even remember buying all these. This is, I think it was an old box I found later on. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to go see what the dogs are all barking about. They're getting crazy.